This video is about the automatic diagram generator in the CADMATIC Electrical Premium version. This modular generation tool is very efficient and fast for creating repetitive diagrams from diagram templates with different attribute values coming from Excel. Let's start by opening the Excel file where we have defined the project data. On the left, we see the module column where we define the graphical templates for the loops. Here, we can also see the project metadata for the loops like object IDs, the offsets of the modules, terminal strips, product models, and device texts. Next, we'll demonstrate the graphical templates. These are predefined files where you can see the symbols and attributes corresponding to the Excel column headers. In graphical template, these Excel column headers are marked between dollar symbols. Let's run this modular generation function. First, we need to choose the Excel file where the information is stored. Then, we need to define the modules folder where all the templates are stored, and finally, we define the project folder for the new generated project. Choose all the modules that you want to use in generation and start the automatic generation function. This process can take from a few seconds to several minutes, depending on the size of the project. Once it's done, you can find the CADMATIC Electrical project in this new project folder with diagram files and a database in it. All the objects in this project are intelligent. Also, the cables have the connection information. You can generate cable and device lists, for example. This method is a very effective way to produce high-quality deliverables quickly.